So how to share Wi-Fi password on mobile to another mobile? If you are using Android mobile, then simply go to your setting and go to connection device. Sorry, connections. Then press on Wi-Fi. Then Wi-Fi is already connected. Press on this setting icon. Then you can see the password. You you can see your password or QR scan. Press on QR scan. Then just open camera for other device, then your Wi-Fi will be connected. And if you are using the iPhone, then simply go to your setting and then go to Wi-Fi and press on this eye icon, and then you can see your password as well. So you have to type your password for iPhone device. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.